All right, so some of you might have followed along with my hair transplant journey. Well, I want more hair, didn't get enough. Yeah, so I got one of these kits. You see all these kits online about all these people doing their do-it-yourself veneers. So I thought, well, hell, if they're doing their own veneers, I think I'm gonna do my own hair. So I got a kit online, okay? It was on Amazon. It was 3.4. They said to use cat hair, so I shaved that cat. And I got this kit, so I'm gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna teach you how to do it so you can have luscious hair like me, okay? So, came with a measurer. Okay, it didn't really come with instructions. All right, so I got this hair here from online, and I got this tape here. So maybe we'll see. We got this here. Well, now we think, look, this looks really great. This is a good look here. Hold on. Okay. This looks good. Like, I mean, fuck those guys with their expensive hair transplants. They don't, what do they know? I just got this, was Amazon, had a lot of reviews. Do that. I wish I wasn't allergic to cats. There. It's a good look. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? I think it's good. You wouldn't even notice if I hadn't shown you, right?